In this video, we'll be showing you how to add tickets and products to an event that's already set up. If you still need to create your event, please see the link to that tutorial in the description below. First, make sure you're logged in as administrator. From the main navigation, select Admin, Events, and then from the Event Management menu, select Tickets and Products. Select Add Product from the Product Page Manage menu. Give the product a name, a SKU, or one will be generated for you. Select a type, and if you wish, you can add a description. Then specify a price in the price field and enter a stock quantity. You can decide if you would like there to be a minimum or maximum purchase quantity per order here. There are then various product options available to you. If you have set an event capacity at event level and you want this product to be included in that, then check the Include in Event Capacity checkbox. If you would like the available stock quantity to be visible to your customers, then check the Display Stock Quantity box. The same applies for the Display Quantity Sold checkbox. The Display checkbox will be automatically checked, but you can remove this if you do not want this product to be visible to your customers yet. Checking the Ask for Name and Class checkbox will ensure that you capture this information through the checkout process, if it is applicable to your product. If you just require a name, then check the Hide Class checkbox. And finally, if you would like the class to be visible on the e-ticket or voucher, then check the Show Class on Ticket checkbox. The booking label can be the child's name for child-only products, or the default is booking name. If you would like the product or ticket to only be available to specific classes, please choose them here. And when your customers go through the checkout, they will be asked to select the relevant class. If Ask for Name and Class is checked, and you would like all classes to be able to book, then there is no need to select any classes here. Then click on the Add Product button. If you need to change the price of a ticket or product, then click on the product SKU, or click Edit Product from the Product Management menu. And that's it, you can now successfully add tickets and products to an event. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.